Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure Windows is up to date and there's enough disk space. This prevents installer errors. Once done, close iTunes and any Apple background processes so files aren't locked. Then sign into the Microsoft Store or Apple website depending on your install, because authentication lets you download the right installer. Finally, create a quick backup of your iTunes library to an external drive or export playlists. This saves your metadata and prevents data loss during the update. You'll now fetch the update. If you installed iTunes from the Microsoft Store, open the store, go to Library, and check for updates. This is the simplest path. If you use the standalone installer, download the latest iTunes exe from Apple and run it as administrator so system files can be updated. Follow the installer prompts, choose Update or Repair when offered, to preserve settings. Make sure to allow any prompted permissions and do not interrupt the process. That ensures file integrity and a clean upgrade. You finish by restarting the computer to complete file registration, then open iTunes and verify the new version under Help about iTunes so you know the update applied. Once open, check your library and test syncing with a device. Reauthorize the computer if media appears restricted. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Try reinstalling iTunes, run Apple Software Update, or examine Windows Event Viewer for installer error codes. These steps pinpoint permission or component failures and get you back to a working iTunes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.